like a human being again? Yes. Are we ready for today? Yes. Did we end yesterday in the green? Yes. So that makes us ready and prepared for this day, if I do say so myself. Hoshino, what's up? How are you? Welcome, welcome, welcome. If you are still here. So what happened yesterday that well, that the price did this absolute shenanigans over here? Seriously, what happened? What happened? I have questions. I have so many questions because this is absolutely insane. Okay, let me also delete everything. That one can stay because that's, yeah, that's some crazy stuff right there. Short from 9:30 till 4. And this is where it just happened. Hop off like a mad lad. What's up, boo? Hi. Good morning. Why are we hmming? Why are we hmming so early in the morning? Why? Why? Okay. I'm trying to not be flooded with information, so I will do. There's no new daily opening gap, but I'll mark out midnight. Okay. Midnight Magnet. Oh my goodness. There's so many people. Hi. Sorry, I was like, ooh, people. The band's been up just like I knew you would. What's up, Atlanta? How you doing? Why am I? Okay, I know it's boom, but still. I think I'm just feeling more like a human being today. Yeah, I feel like a human today. I don't feel yucky anymore. Clearly, I don't cope well when I'm sick. So it's a good thing I don't get sick often. Good morning from Clatonia today. Short. Some points up yesterday. I saw what the heck happened yesterday. Was there news? Did something happen? Yeah, seriously, what happened yesterday? I see at like 4 p.m. it just skyrocketed, for lack of a better word. Like it went crazy. Look at this. Look at this. How big is this move? Not exactly from 4, but around there. 898 points. What happened? Hit my stuff up the market. That makes sense. Okay. Thursday, what's up, guys? Just a reminder, I'm not here this evening. I won't be here for New York, and I won't be here tomorrow. I know it's a bit of a bummer. So it means we're just gonna have to have all the fun today. Damn, dude. Basil, you're not having a very good run at it. I just want to start work just saying hi. Aw, thanks for popping in, some guy. Mad love. You're awesome. Have a great day, some guy. I will see you on the flippity flop. I don't know why I keep saying that. I don't know. It's a new thing, but we're going with it. Let's do sessions, highs, and lows. Okay. Guess there's Asia low. Sorry, I'm laughing because what is this? What even? This is previous day low, so I'll mark that as previous day low, but cool, I guess. Mark that liquidity point. That, yeah, everything else has basically already been taken. Like I said, 898 point 890 point move is insanity. Oh, Atlanta, oh shoot, this is now covering it. Had a nice little win there. It was a goodie, and it correlated, and it was an A+ setup. And like I said, I'm trying not to overcomplicate it, so I didn't overcomplicate it. I saw it, I liked it, so I took it. End of story. David G, how are you today, bud? Okay. Just making sure. I've already gone for like 2 days, boom. You've gone, well, you know, I've been gone for longer, put it that way. But yeah, I'm good. Like I said, feeling a bit better. We see the opportunity, we like it, we take it, and then we move on. Yep. 2 days too long. Oh, why are you being so sweet to me? I don't know what to do when you're so sweet to me, boom. Okay, let's do top to bottom. Okay, there's an imbalance. This is quite a big one. It's the final count. Thanks for that one, David. Wouldn't that be 3 days? Oh, you actually have a point? No, well, 2.5, I guess. Monday, Friday, and half of Thursday. 2.5 days. Yeah, exactly. Things will go back to normal-ish when I'm back there. Yeah. So, okay. We did now tap into this fair value gap, this bearish fair value gap, but we have also made a massive volume imbalance on the daily, so I'm gonna have to keep coming back to check that. How's it look on the 4 hour? Yes, it tapped into there. Took a little bit. This isn't actually such a hectic fair value gap. I expected something more. I really did. Apparently not. Oh, thanks, David. 80th American holiday for the year coming up. 4th of July. 4th of July is taken very seriously, I've noticed, which is awesome. I wish we had so many cool holidays here. We don't really take holidays super seriously in South Africa, except for Christmas. But like, everything else is just, yeah, like nothing special happens. Does that make sense? I hope that kind of makes sense. Okay. 4 hour. 1 hour looks like so. Ah, there's a bigger fair value gap on the 1 hour. We're gonna mitigate this, or we're gonna go back up now. Seriously, something must have happened. What news was it that happened yesterday that caused this? Because it is insane. It's actually insane. I'm gonna try sell right here. You're risking it all. What? At some point during London session and during New York session, the gap between the spot sessions closed. Interesting, Boris. Also, don't say that. Let's say it's gonna move beautifully today, right? It's gonna be amazing. It's gonna give me so many opportunities and so many trades. What's up, OTT? Use excuse to make days off because... Damn, Atlanta, that was dark as heck. Anyways, 15 minutes. What was in the medication they gave? Why? Because I have energy. I literally just feel better today. I think yesterday was like, I'm gonna jinx myself, watch now feel terrible tomorrow, but yesterday technically was like the final day, and now today I feel more human. OTT better. A little bit of a stuffy nose, but apart from that, the headache's gone. I don't have this pressure. Like I said, you know when you can hear your heartbeat and feel your heartbeat in your freaking scalp? That is what I had yesterday. So I don't have that today. Just got a little bit of a cough and a little bit of the sniffles now and then, but apart from that, I'm back to normal, baby. Look, clean-ish chart. Don't look too far up. I'll keep the new weekly up there. But clean-ish chart. Right? Are we happy? Do we approve? I'm gonna mark out this one and that's it. Okay? Okay. Okay, before I get yelled at. What's up, Dom? You're saying let's see a longer session. Must be lucky when I'm sick I don't get headaches. You know what? No. Who asked you, OTT? Good grief. It's getting there somewhat. Genetic superiority. Apparently, OTT just won the damn lottery. 5-minute open. Okay, go to the 1 minute. Let's do the thing. Oh, was Micron's Q3 earnings report that literally boosted the tech sector on their own, so they made it. That makes sense. Thanks, Deb. Oh, cheers, David G. Enjoy. Well, no, you will not see me tomorrow. I shall not be here, but have an amazing one. You know what, OTT? I low-key want to put you on a timeout just for saying that. Seriously. I low-key do want to put you on a timeout just for saying that. That was unnecessary. So I will be checking my emails all the time because they're supposed to confirm the time of pickup for tomorrow. I don't know, I get myself all stressed out for no reason, so see. I want to know time of things that I can plan my day. Damn, you'll be jealous. Just be better. Just be better. You just be better. Aw. Should have been focusing. Nah. I say that. Let's give it an itty bitty little bit. Because looky, we got open over there with a bit of a volume imbalance. Look at these little wicks to that side. Let's see what we get. I'm trying to not overcomplicate it today. Let's do this. Yep. OTT won the lottery and didn't give me 90%. I'll stream in your place tomorrow. There we go. Boom's got it. Boom's gonna stream. Guys, so go join and support Boom. I might be able to hop on if you genuinely are. Because like I said, I'm still gonna be here. I still have Wi-Fi. I won't have my setup because my setup will be, well, packed. So Boom, I'm gonna set an alert for when you go live, and then I will be there, and I'll watch, and I'll judge. And I will try my best to irritate you as much as you guys try to irritate me. That's a promise. She'll judge as I'm winning. Yeah. Yeah, that's what we do. About to take a trade, I'm gonna be like, are you sure about that? Oop, okay, there goes that little bit of buy side liquidity. See if it's gonna go a little bit higher. Would have actually been quite a nice entry. I know today's not the day to do dumb things. Let's not do nothing. If I heard you say, I know I'm gonna win, wow. Is it hard to get a visa? I want to go to Japan in December. Well, I think start sorting it out now. I don't want to say it's hard to get one. I actually don't know, but I think it takes long as things do. So if you're gonna just sort things out, try sort it out now. Tom says, here we go. How big are these candles, by the way? Okay, not bad. Like 20 point candles. Sorry, sometimes I'm so zoomed in that I'm like, damn, these are huge, and then you zoom out and you go, yeah, never mind. No, they're not. I thought today was the day to do dumb things. Actually, you know what? Live Sound, you have a point. If I was focused a little bit sooner, I maybe would have taken this one. That would have been nice. Boo. Oh well. But you are indeed correct. Today is indeed the day to do dumb things. Like this, there's some liquidity up there. Like how much would I be risking with this one? How risque is this? It's not that risque. Should we take it for a $20? It did just take out some liquidity. I blame my friend did. Why didn't you stop me? What? Why are you blaming me? Don't blame me. $20 risk. Oh, wait. The rules are have that a little bit higher. Have that a little bit higher. Close enough. I'm looking back. I'm getting permanent residency because I'm getting married. Doggo, what's up? Oh gosh. Live Sound, why are you saying, oh man? Ooh. The only thing that might be a bit of a bad thing about this trade is the fact that it might want to come back down and take out this liquidity. Otherwise, I actually like it. Let's see if it comes to get me or not. Yeah. Yeah. There's the drop. Want to see a rejection off of the volume imbalance on ES. Is it gonna do that though? Potentially. Let's see. Hi Live, what's up? How are you? Do I look a little red? Yeah, sorry, it's the curtains. The curtains are quite vivid. I know one compliment in Japanese that's enough to sweep her off her feet. What is it, OTT? I'm very curious. Doggo, I think I said hi. Sorry, how are you? Apologies if I didn't. Oh. Yeah, well, $20. Screw it, let's see what happens. Aw, Doggo, you know what? I'm good. I can't complain. Today is indeed the day to be a tad bit unhinged, which is what we're doing, which is gonna be fun. I don't know why that song's stuck in my head. I don't know if you guys have heard it. It's called Labor. My best wishes with that OTT. Oh, Doggo, I do. I feel more like a human today. Which is winning, right? great to be feeling like a human being. Live sound for Boom's Blown Thunder, what did you say? Oh man, for, oh, wait! Wait, Boom, we have to do this for you. Wait. There we go. That's just for Boom. Okay, didn't quite go far enough down on ES. Let's see. Now it reaches there and mitigate risk by half. Which anime are you gonna go watch, Boom? Oh, okay, it's there. Let's see, this is where I want to see a rejection. Bit of a bigger rejection, come on. Yeah? Reject like you mean it. Reject me like my ex. I'm kidding. Ooh, did reject nicely on ES. Follow ES. Uh-oh. 2, 1. Why does ES look like it's gonna work out now? Okay, well, whatever happens now happens. Geez. Cool, I'm so romantic. Wait, OTT, I didn't see what it said. Wait, OTT, what's the compliment? I still want to hear what the compliment is. That was sweeper off of her feet. But it might have been chopped up in the market the last couple of days, or has it just been me? No. You know, it has been a bit of a rough go at it with the chip choppy that's happening. So yeah, don't worry. Yesterday actually I had a partial loss because I mitigated risk by half, and then it came and took me out, and then straight away went to TP. That was a little bit mean. That felt a little bit unnecessary. Oh, it just means I'm so romantic, and that's what you think. It okay? You think that's gonna work? If it works, awesome. How's the weather? I'm getting hot watching you, and I'm here in my hoodie. To be fair, it is sunny outside. I wouldn't say it's hot, but it is sunny outside. I guess that's something. Oh no, it means she's a nice person. Oh. If you're not going to be in a basement, at least have a lava lamp. Kalani, that was a very terrifying sentence. Why do you want me to be in a basement? Whose basement do you want me to be in? That's some kidnapper stuff to say. I'm just saying. A lava lamp. No, I can be a lava lamp. What do you have to do? So lame. Oh my gosh, I'm so sorry. Ah, flip. I feel like I nailed it though. That's what a lava lamp does. It chills there and there's bubble. I can't make bubbles, so I made the bubble noise. And I'm just doing it. And then please has the meaning. Loki. Stop myself from telling the world sometime. You know, yeah. Oh, like I said, I took this. Whatever happens, happens. It's $20. Whatever. I nod his hands off. Whatever happens, happens. We're gonna sit here, we're gonna judge whatever the heck it is that I just did. Helani, I hope you feel proud of yourself for making me do that. No TT in your own words. Oh. Good grief. Okay. So wait, OTT really plans on going to Japan and finding himself a wife at the ripe young age of 21. Most traders just be chilling in their mom's basement trying to trade. Ah! See, that's a little bit sad though. Why? I don't want to be chilling in my mom's basement. Okay, so it did go... No, no, it didn't. I was about to say, it did kind of go to midpoint. It didn't actually reach midpoint. Trying to decide if I do mitigate risk by half or not. Well, I'm sticking with my rules. Mitigate risk by half, which is just there. When it hits the 1, if it hits the 1, let me not be presumptuous, but if it hits the 1, I move to break even. And then voila. Oh, okay, break even. And then the key is to not be greedy. Yeah, there's some wicks over there. Yeah, like I said, key is to then not be greedy. Just take TP where TP's at. I know that memory of you being a lava lamp. Shaki, you are welcome. Oops. Made TP slightly higher. Maybe that was greedy. Oh dear. Hey! Ooh. Cool! That was a nice little win to start the day. Yeah. Let's do this. Whoop whoop, yes, yeah guys, whoop whoop. Can I get a whoop whoop? That was lame, but can we get a whoop whoop? We can. 844.10. Ta-da! One step at a time. That's just the way to do it. Yeah, it would have worked on ES as well. Check out that trade. Nice. Now, move on to the next. I'm gonna try not be greedy. So I'm not gonna take the next setup, because I've done that before. It might work out, but I'm trying not to be greedy. Like I said, I've done that before. So, let's... Now, if only the curtains can change into green. I just arrived. That would be so cool. Like if you're having a red day, you have red curtains. If you're having a green day, you have green curtains. That is such a cool idea. What? Trading crypto ruining my sleep schedule. OTT, what's happened? Highlight, yeah, this is the funded. I hope. Oh my gosh, it is. Guys, can you imagine I took that and it was actually the paper account? Oh man. I wanted to be greedy and move my TP up here, but I was like, no, don't be that don't be that guy. Don't be that guy. Don't be greedy. Leave it alone. Yes. Live life. How are we doing? Just don't say my one off. Trade at your current spot. You do kind of look like Darth Maul with the red. Wait. Too much hair. Too much chaos. Give me a second. I gotta do that. Too much hair. Oh, I'm so sorry. That must have been loud. I apologize. Palm smack on my forehead. Why did you not add? It's not greedy, it's maths. Nah, bro, I've done that before. Not a good idea. How about now? Now do I look like Darth Maul? Noise. I set up duty form from like 1 AM to 4 AM. And took me. My hair looks emo. I'm too happy today to be emo. Yeah, and there it goes. Guys, imagine I left it just go. No, that's greedy. Don't say that. Leave it alone. Try so hard to not be greedy because on the days where I am greedy, it never works out. Which is so frustrating. And then the days where I'm like, don't be greedy, it does this. Anyways, on to the next. Right? On to the next. Let's see. Not terrible. Ooh, it's actually quite a nice trade on ES, but let's see if it continues up. Where is the next point of interest though? Oh my goodness. Well, that being said, let's actually zoom out a little bit. Let's have a look at the higher time. Let's have a look at the higher time frame. Okay, took that out. Okay, now we just got a bunch of imbalances. 15-minute. Bruh. Holy moly. Okay. Right then. Question back, what's up? Let's actually delete that, that's fine. 1 hour. Well, it's in all of these fair value gaps now, bearish fair value gaps. Let's see what we get. If it's gonna continue running through all the way back up. Don't need that anymore, sorry. Yeah, if this is gonna just continue running, oopsies, up all the way through, potentially back up to here. Looks like we're running. That's nice. Anyways. Let's do this. I just arrived at trade gold as well. Unfortunately not, sorry. I'm assuming you are a gold trader, right? Is that your thing? No. Let me check the emails. Nope. Loaded down 1,000 shares and out of anger and desperation. That's not good though. Don't do things out of anger and desperation. That's bad. Okay, so tapped into the fair value gap, and now we've lost a little bit of oomph. Lost some oomph going on over there. And now people can totally trade gold. Like, why? Why? What do you mean, why? I have to wait and watch it for hours. Really answered me. OTT, I'm surprised you say that. Here we go. So what I want to see, is it just retracing, or is this going to be a proper drop down? What's up, Jose? Oh, I took the screen down. Look, I have all the space. Yeah, it's weird. Sorry. How, like I said, this is my new favorite thing in the world. I now wear it everywhere and people judge me and I don't even care because I'm comfy. I'd rather trade forex than metal straight away. Metal! Why? Why do you say that though, OTT? Aren't they a little bit more, maybe not consistent, maybe consistent is the wrong word. What is the word I'm looking for? What's up, Chase? Long time no see. Am I single? What's giving you that vibe? Is that Snuggy? It is. So Snuggy. It's way too big for me though, which is fantastic. It makes it even better. Wait, now that I have space, I can show you good. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this. This is how big it is. Anyways, it is amazing though. It's like a dress. If I ever went out, which I don't, if I ever went out and it was cold, I would wear this as a dress. Just put a little belt around it, you're good to go. Need to get some big fluffy monster that oh, life sound. Now you're using your big brain. Live life, yes or no? Yes, why? I feel like I give off single vibes. Rude. Down, didn't quite reach that point of interest on ES. Today's the day. I'm about to be so bored for 3 days. Are you gonna think you're gonna miss me? Wow. How you doing? Mikowawa, you've already missed. I had a little win over there. Now we're chilling. Commodities move weird for day trading. Better to swing using at least 15-minute time frame. Interesting. Yes, I have. How's the journey been? Frustrating, Chase. Very, very frustrating, but we're getting there. One step at a time. Yeah, me in Discord. Yeah, I can still hop on Discord. Even tomorrow. Live life with my bias today. To be fair, I started out thinking potentially the bears would come, but apparently not. To be fair though, it did also just take out all the buy side liquidity that I was looking at, and it tapped into a bearish fair value gap. So either this is gonna break up and continue being a bullish run, or this is where it reverses and starts going to the sell side, because it did leave some gaps behind, as you can see. So let's see. But I mean, after yesterday's chaos of, what was it, 190 point move basically, 890 point move. Yeah, nope, there we go. 900 points. It moved 900 points yesterday. That is some insane shenanigans, if I do say so myself. How's the VP level? Oh, did you see them here? They're all the way down there. Yeah. So, yeah. Lifestyle, definitely not Monday. They're only dropping off, well, they're supposed to only be dropping off things on Monday. So, yeah. No, you're a wannabe, there's a difference. Okay. Nothing yet. Oh no. What happened? It does kind of look like that. Are we still good? We're still good. We're still good. But I see the Wi-Fi at the moment. Here we go. Okay, Wi-Fi is done. Live life not today. I won't be trading New York today. Normally I do. Normally I trade London and New York, but I am moving. So this will be my last stream for the week. Yeah. Because it's supposed to be picking up things and doing things tomorrow. BTW all invited to my wedding. Heck yes. How do you feel about moving to the next round of the World Cup? Good for them. Sorry, I don't even follow anything soccer or any. Yeah, sorry, I don't follow it. I don't. It's not that I don't care enough about it. It's just it's not my interest. So the proceeds of the debate just went up. I got them at 176. Ooh, okay. Hey, Vera, what's up? Fly me out the hell. You need to look up the reality of you accept Japan. I'm different. Oh dear. Okay, wait. You know where that figure retracement. Yeah. You draw VP right over and see the value now and go back. Okay, let's see. Is this what you mean? That? Is that what you meant? Yes, no, maybe. I don't know what he was playing. Cool. Because someone got very upset with me about the fact that I didn't care about the World Cup. And they're like, oh, how could you? And I was like, okay, are you watching the horse riding? There's South Africans and, well, obviously all countries competing currently at show jumping. Are you watching that? No, why would I be watching that? I was like, exactly. Because you don't care about it. I don't know. Coming from if I ever don't let it read further than the peak. Oh, okay. Wait. There. Ah. Interesting. So this is actually potentially a really good trade. Oh, very interesting. Okay, let's see how this goes. I'm color me intrigued. How big is this trade? Oh, that would basically give back all the profits if I took this. Let's see. Both corners of the road. I don't even watch the Olympics. Why would I watch the World Cup? That's what I was testing the other day. Okay, that makes sense. I was drawing it wrong. I was drawing from drawing. Am I saying that weird? I feel like I'm saying that weird. Anyways, I was drawing all the way. Let's see how it reacts. Unfortunately, it gives back all my profits, so I'm not gonna do that. I want to see how it reacts here. He took it to forward testing. Take it, in fact, full port that P word. What the? Afflict, how you doing? I want to see how this goes. Yeah, sure. Let's. I mean, this is a very small one, but we can do it on this one. I drew it there to there. Yeah, there it is. Bottom to top. Oh! Oh my gosh. Would have bottom tipped it. What the frick frack snick snack. Alrighty. Let's see. Like I said, this did just take out. I know you don't like the liquidity zones. I know you don't like them, Ollie, but it did just take out majority of the buy side liquidity and tapped into a bearish fair value gap. So if this does drop down, I won't be surprised. What was that pump on Wednesday? Was there any news? Viral lags, there was apparently, Debbie, what did you say? It was the microns, right? Let me see what Debbie said. Micron technology. So there was Micron's Q3 earnings report. They literally boosted the tech sector on their own, so they made a lot of money this Q3. There we go. Oh, I lost him. Told you I had an idea. Yeah, literally. Curious to see how it looks on ES. Okay, let's see how this works. I just arrived. How long have I been trading for? Just over a year now, which is why we still figuring some things out. But damn, and so I actually don't know. We're inside a bearish and bullish gap, which will hold. So you technically don't care about the bearish gap. That's interesting. Huh. Guess what I'm gonna start doing now? Do. Let's do this. Pull back. But it does respect the value area high quite often. And the 4 hour, but this is where it comes back to if you trade VP, trade VP. Now, this is why we're watching this one. Like I said, if I had taken this one, yeah, maybe I would have mitigated risk by half here, but damn. I don't want to risk literally just all the profit I got now. So I was like, man, it's fine. If you try mix VP with ICT higher time frame logic, it'll contradict. Oh, that's interesting. But lower time frame, it could actually work together. Like this is kind of working together. Damn. Ollie, what the heck? If this works... I don't even know. I'm gonna have to... I'll owe you something. Build Passion, what's up? How are you doing? Doesn't use high time environmentals of VP on time. Okay, let's see here what it does. Most with VP, I found if you want to use ICT with VP, just use ICT entries. Don't try pair liquidity and buys using ICT and expect VP to go with it. Okay. What? What did I say? Oh, you like a bag of sweeties? What were you thinking? You're nasty. That reminds me, I already didn't trade that yesterday. I was just getting all good stop losses before I could react. I did revenge trade. Oh, that's not good though. Bad Atlanta, no revenge trading. Be better. It's gonna bug me. What is wrong with you? Anyways, same for the bottom purple or using the default setting. Basically default setting. So don't know if you can see there. Yeah. Pro size 500, volume up and down. This is just the style I have. Have very value area high and value area low on, and point of control. Yeah, that's about it. And you just waffling and he just because he trades ICT. Wow. If I enter 1 minute and VP with me, I want to test something. They're really good alone, but pairing it with ICT overcomplicates, if that makes sense. Have you met me? It's like my middle name. To overcomplicate things and be a problem. Okay, still watching. Okay. I feel like, nah, I'm not at the new place. I'm using my volume profile with delta profile, footprint charts, and heat map. Ooh, and does it work well? I think that's what a lot of people do, to be fair. I think not maybe, okay, maybe let's not say a lot. I know some people do that. Let me not lie and be like, yeah, everyone does that. That's a lie. And is it Gerbil? I feel like I'm saying that wrong. I'm so sorry for how long have you been trading for, and have you found success in doing it? We're moving as I mean, Atlanta right now, my horse is 8 hours away, so yes. It's going to be a lot closer. But yeah, he'll be like 15 minutes away, so he's gonna be nice and close. It's reacting on point of control. Basically, yeah, it looks like it did react on point of control. Not so much on ES, but in Q it's working really well. ES, sorry, I also put a volume profile on the ES level out of curiosity, as one does. So I'm watching how and where and why. 2 months with order flow, but in total 5. Wait, like you're trading in general? I'm talking about your whole journey. The whole journey. Was that 5 months ago? I don't only know, but for real, this is giving me some ideas. ICT, TMP users, VP. So perhaps the way I use it will be fine for Daytrading, and I passed my evaluation yesterday in like 6 days. Brag much? No, I'm kidding. Well done. That is awesome. Like, holy small. That's really, really good. Well done. Well done. That is awesome. You know, everyone has their own journey. I'm trying to say this to make myself feel better. No, I'm kidding. I'm kidding. I'm really, really proud of you. That is fantastic. So you've just started, but you've already passed an eval. That's a huge step. Massive. So now you're on a funded. If I've been charged by frequency of interest, I would want to do the same using BP. Where would I anchor? Why ICT and SMC? I feel like they have a lot of the basics. Yeah. They have a lot of the basics put together, and sometimes, which I had to remind myself yesterday, you sometimes have to keep it simple. Else you overcomplicate things unnecessarily. Which is what I do all the time. I had a lot going on, which is why it actually, believe it or not, I know it kind of looks chaotic right now, but it's because I have my GAN box, and I'll leave that on. But I have my GAN box and I have this on, but this is how the chart is now looking. It used to look very chaotic. I used to have too much on, and then I was overthinking things, and it's a problem. I'm a problem, so I have to remind myself to try and keep things simple, stick with the basics, help yourself with little things where you can, but if you overcomplicate it, you're gonna overthink things, and then it's a problem. Yeah, I kind of have to activate it, that's all that I know. Maybe I feel like I'm gonna fumble it because I overtrade time. Oh. Gerbil, I mean, all you have to do is give yourself rules. I think that's it. Be like, you are allowed... Literally, maybe you are allowed to earn or trade 3 winning trades a day, and that's it, and vice versa, 3 losses, and that's it, and then you have to turn off your PC and walk away, or laptop or phone or whatever it is that you trade on. So give yourself like a target and then stop. So that's what I found tends to work. You have a target and then you stop at that, or else you then overtrade, especially if you're doing well. So if you give yourself a target and then you stick with your rules, that's all you can do. SMC is a basic, it's for the newbie traders. Learn SMC, MSS, and pay value retest. I returned. What's up, Boom? Boom, I took this on the funded. Yes, I didn't take this trade. This one's not active. Because if it didn't work out, I was gonna give back all my profits from this one. So I was like, nah, let's not be, we can be dumb today, but not that dumb. Why is the Wi-Fi being stupid? Why Wi-Fi? Why? To be fair, the Wi-Fi protocol, it is just sitting on the floor now. It looks so sad. For real, Gan is like, oh, chill, dude. You take that back. You take that back, sir. Alright, maybe see what happens. Have been traded up recently. That's a decent trade, no? Stop at name and Q, so I take like 3 to 4 winning trades. See, that's good though. I actually hate SMC. No, they all. OTT, didn't you say SMC and ICT are basically the same thing? Just say, what do you mean, what's happening? Is it because the Wi-Fi is freaking out? I'm sorry. I'll be right back. I need to go see where Perry is. As you can see, he's not there. I don't know where he is. Give me a second. What did I miss? What happened? How about what the? Straight out school up into training and a mini skirt right now. Same concept but slightly different. SMC is ICT concept, but SMC traders make me mad and I don't. Wow. Ah, flip. I see. Supplying them on traders. On the other hand, oh gosh. I still do question the whole world. This is okay. It's becoming a thing. I stepped away for 5 seconds. What is happening? I stepped away for 5 seconds. Anyways, moving on. What's up, Neil? Grand Rising. I low-key love that. How you doing, Neil? How's it going? How goes it? this grand dusk. No, dawn. That's dawn. Dusk. Dusk. What's that, Boom? I think I'm saying Atlanta. No, I'm kidding. What? Boom? You know what time it is, right? It's butterfly time. You have to pick. Hi everybody, Kevin. Oh, come here, be lovable. Oh, they wanted to go check her out. That's what happened in Atlanta. They wanted to go and see who you were talking about. And oh, Atlanta wanted to pick today. No, Atlanta hates the butterfly thing. Oh, who wants? Okay, fine. Who wants to pick the butterfly of the day today? Oh, okay. Well, looks like we're stuck here because someone so cute wants to just chill and sleep here. I'm picking. Okay. I think yesterday and too much screen time. We're good. Nice. Oh no, you have my headache from yesterday, Neil. I'm so sorry. I do apologize because that sucks. First, that's not fun. And picking. Yeah, please, I'll pick up. Just pick something poisonous. Just like you, chill, dude. No, I'm kidding. I'm kidding. I'm kidding. I know it's shots fired today because I can. Okay. Okay, good boy. Good boy. Emerald Swallowtail. I'm on it. Can I do things? Can I do things? I have to do things. Am I allowed to? No, there's no sweeties here. There's no sweeties. Okay. Emerald. Okay, let's see what this does. Let's do, and then Debbie. Hey, is it Galus? This is testing. This one is testing. This one I took earlier. This one is testing because I was testing. Let's see if this still pops up. Oh no, okay, it won't pop up. I was testing the GAN box with VP levels. So yeah, it actually looks like it's working out quite nicely. I can't wait to she's currently Baron of Foxhole, yeah. He used to be like that. I actually have a photo of him. He chewed up my flipping welcome mat. Chewed it up completely. It was quite funny. The photo is hilarious because he looks very guilty because obviously he is. Whoa. Damn, we're ready for butterfly of the day. This is the Emerald Swallowtail. This is pretty as heck. Damn, Boom, you're on a roll with the pretty butterflies, hey? Look at this thing. What? I hate the fact that they have scales. Not even gonna lie. The fact that butterflies have scales freaks me out. Little scaly. Who said that? Does it breathe poison? How's the trade day going? Okay, Debbie, I'm gonna try that one next. We're gonna do 2 butterflies of the day because we can. Let's find a little bit more information on this one. Is he poisonous? Striking butterfly from Southeast Asia, famous for the glowing iridescent green bands across its dark velvety wings. Damn. Okay, ChatGPT going hardcore with the adjectives over here. Interestingly, this vibrant green isn't made of pigment, but it's a structural color created by microscopic scale ridges that bend and reflect light. So wingspan, medium to large, typically ranging from 3.1 to 4 inches, which is 8 to 10 centimeters. Upper wings, okay, underwings, got it. Adults feed on nectar from flowers, while the caterpillars feed on leaves of plants in the citrus and rue family. Oh, damn. Okay, flight. They are incredibly fast, agile flyers. Habitat primarily found in the tropical rainforests of Burma, Malaysia, Indonesia, and the Philippines. Fun fact, the species is also commonly known as the emerald peacock or green-banded peacock. Yeah, there we go. That's the emerald swallowtail. I kind of want to see Debbie's now. I just arrived. Are you from Cape Town? Do we have another Cape Townian here? That is insane. Sorry, I'm not from Cape Town. I'm actually, for now, KZN. Saturday, I'm moved back to Joburg. But we got a few Cape Townians here. I love it. Where Debbie. Oh, that's not what I wanted to do. For sale. I guess you can buy butterflies. I forgot that's a thing that you can do. What the? What is this? What the heck? Well, that's a terrible photo. Boom, Debbie may have beaten you today with this one. Wow. Debbie may have beaten you today with this one. Hey, Marcus, what's up? We're doing butterfly of the day, but we're doing 2 butterflies of the day today because I'm not here for New York. I'm actually not here for tomorrow either. So yeah, we're doing a few butterflies of the day. Hey, Lucky G, how you doing? Looks like a mutated alien a little bit. A little bit. No, where's the AI for this one? Come on. Let's see if this one gives us good information. Okay, no, I don't like the information it's giving. I like just the way they worded it. I was like, no. There we go. This one might be good. This one looks familiar. Come on, I want to find out stuff. Flies between 1,500 and 2,500, I'm assuming, miles in the Himalaya. What? That is insane. That's far. Okay, this is taking a while. Let's wait for that to load. Oh my gosh, that would have worked out perfectly. Okay, this worked out really well. Okay, let's test this. This is about to be fun. Okay, this is about to be a good old time. Doink, doink. So if we tried this, made this lower, it's already a 3-hour trade. How much would I be risking with this one? Should we try it? I might give back some profits. Doesn't matter. We're trying something different. Yes, I'm trying it on the funded. Why not? We're doing crazy stuff today. I need some good energy for training today. Can everyone send me just really good? Oh, okay, Laura. Good energy. Oh yes, I'm in Cape Town. Shouldn't de-stress myself. Gold trade is happening. Nice. You have to apologize. Let's see how this works. Just because curiosity is getting the best of me. Tapped into the value area low on ES though. Yeah. Poop. Let's see. Gold trading not long ago. This is the point of control. It's watching. Okay. I think I'm due for tomato soup this morning for breakfast. Okay. That was very random, but okay. Am I dumb for potentially trying something new? Yeah. Screw it. Why not? Ah, it was a winner, Mikuabe. Yeah. It was actually a winner. That's why I'm trying this one, but I'm not even taking it on the GAN box. I'm gonna take it at value area low. Out of curiosity. And then I have also then made stop loss a little bit lower. Like I said, out of curiosity, because why not? However, does it work better when they line up? Like when ES and NQ line up? Because ES has tapped into value area low. I guess we're gonna have to figure that one out, aren't we? So like this gives a better entry, just 30 years. Yeah. To be fair, it with the VP levels, it's been working better on NQ to date for so far than it has on ES. Just with how it's respecting the value area low. So this line over here, so with the VP level, this bottom line over here is the value area low. The middle dotted line is the point of control, and the top one is the value area high. If this fails and comes down and hits value area low and then hits take profit, I'm the oracle. That's fair. That is fair. If that does that, I will be very impressed. If it hits stop loss, then oh, it is what it is. Who cares? I just arrived. If this works, that'll be amazing. I don't have my my headpiece and I can't hear the scream. What's up, David? No, not so much. Working out on ES, this would have missed tagging me in by a point though. Hey, eye pink curtains. You sure? Things are starting to work out for me. Laura, that is awesome! What happened? If you want to share with the group, obviously you don't have to, but what happened? Okay. Watching to see how this works out here. So on ES it's stuck below the point of control. On NQ it's stuck above the point of control. Question, wouldn't be better to trade off the point of control this time? Why? Out of curiosity, why? It's been respecting the value area low. You're asking good questions. I'm just curious about why do you say that for this one in particular? Like a pair of pants. I love it, Laura. Okay. Okay, I'm going to text driving my way back when I'm home. Okay, cheers, Mikwabe. Micron and move into markets, no wonder. Pump the way to $200 billion. That's insane work right there. That's what that is. Laura, we'll see. That's the hope. We'll see. Oh? This is still going. This looks like a double top. Now the question is, do you move it or not? Like I said, I'm testing something out. Excuse me. So that's now the low. But this is the range. Ooh, it's dropping down on ES. Double top. I think I'm gonna add VP and try to remove, but it's gonna be a lot of trial and error before I got Daddy Ollie to help me. I'm watching this. It dropped properly on ES, that's the only thing. I'm kind of going, oh, okay. I just arrived. It's literally impossible for me to lower the risk more. It's one contract. I agree with you, but it's literally impossible because I am literally using one contract right now. This does look like the shorty shorts are about to take over though, but effort. Can see a bit of a rejection. Not a lot though. Ooh, no, I think this thing's well, on ES at least the thing is dropping solidly. Solidly. If this does go back up, I'm gonna have to start calling Ollie the Oracle, which is gonna be irritating. Don't want to call him the Oracle. What is the right spelling? What? If human beings are actually smart, they would just video cast and trade together, especially when they're good. No one wants to call Ollie the Oracle. Exactly. So I'm like, oh no. Let's see what it does. Nah, this thing is dropping. Oh damn, this thing is dropping solidly. Just looking at ES, wow. I don't know how to do it like that. Okay, that was a loss, but that's fine. Because that is what happens when you test things. Interesting. Ooh, sorry, hiccups. But if this does start working, this could be really good. Yep. A good tester. Bruh. Don't you dare start going up now. Don't you dare. If you're gonna go down properly. Oh, his stuff wasn't even to TV. I just read, oh no, don't worry. We go for 148, but you have a volume over there now. 148, potentially. Let's see. I'm not so sure about that one. This is why we're testing out some things. 8, 1, 2, 20. You say stop was the entry. Let's wait for confirmation on that. Before we all start speaking too soon, let's wait for confirmation on that. Let's see what it does. Because this could be the start of a potential reversal. Like looking at this. This could be the start of a potential reversal. This actually looks quite nice. I don't quite know how I would use it with this though. Like a short here from value area high to value area low. Okay, let's watch and see how this works. Checking this again. Nope, still nothing. Waiting for the email. Nope. Nope. Good grief. Nope. Jose, you say a shorty here, a shorty there. Yeah, there we go. Ooh, tapped into the volume imbalance on ES and rejected off of it there. Curiosity is getting the best of me, but it's nice to know that I don't have to call Ollie the Oracle. Don't tell him I said that. Okay, just don't tell him I said that. I'll be in so much trouble. Because if I can start getting better entries, I could be able to start upping the R's. That would be quite nice. Upping the R's is never a bad thing. $4.21. How's everyone else doing? Anyone else get a trade? Y'all being very quiet. Is everyone good? I'm gonna be just watching this real close. Seeing what we get here. Hey Timothy, how you doing? Let's see what happens at the 5 a.m. open in like 40 minutes. If there's nothing, we might call it an early day. You traded SpaceX and how did it go? Timothy, you're good? That's awesome. Timothy, what do you trade? Shoot, don't start going up. I can't believe I'm saying that, but don't start going up because that'll be very mean. Still in mine, averaging at 209. Ooh, Jackie, that's really good. NQ and ES. Ooh, nice, Timothy. How long have you been trading for? Oh yeah, I'm in a gold trade, sorry. And I'm in 600 plus profit now. Hopefully it hits 4,290p. Damn! That is flipping good. About 5 months. Damn, Timothy. And how's it going? Does not give lots of... There we go. Yeah, sure. Aha! Around apologies. Triangle. I approve. Pretty good. Thought about bullish. Now it's bearish. Pretty rangy. It's for me some shorty. Nice. Going okay. Just trying to make real money, but get nervous about trading real money. Timothy, have you tried, or what do you do? Do you use prop firms? Are you just going straight to live? What's your plans? What are your thoughts behind all of it? $4.25. Okay, let's see. Big stretch. Yeah, okay. This does low-key be rangy now. That was giving us some good stuff earlier. Oh well, I guess it is what it is. What was I gonna say? I was gonna say something, now I completely forgot. I was gonna say, oh yeah. I guess I might call it a tad bit early today. So another 30 minutes or so. I mean, already taken 2 trades today, that's more than normal. Wild for me. And we're gonna see how this thing goes. But yeah, then I can start packing. I'm excited and nervous. Hammer, what's up? How you doing, Hammer? How is the jailbreak? Please don't say super cold. Well, I'm trying a platform, but having an issue with getting a good entry. What platform are you trying, Timothy? It's hammer time. Hammer time. Hammer time. Mikuave, it didn't work, sorry. Sorry. Good, was it like yesterday? No one in clubs. Nice, and today. And more importantly, this weekend. Actually, maybe we should go and check it out. Ah! So I'm not calling you Oracle today, Mikuave. But that's okay. I mean, it dropped solidly on ES, so I didn't actually expect it to work really well, but that's okay. Ninja Trader and trying Tradeify. Oh, that's interesting. Ninja Trader normally has quite good entries. Little win, but not bad. Noise. Okay. It is just consolidating a little bit now. Okay. So for the butterfly, the second butterfly of the day, seeming as we won't have a New York session. This one that looks like a bit of an alien, very cool. 10 Glory. It's an endangered butterfly. Endemic to parts of Bhutan and northeast India. In India, the species is known to have only one pocket population at Eagle's Nest Wildlife Sanctuary. Wow. That's rough. Big loss amount of shame if we can't protect it from extinction. Okay, so they are on the verge of potentially becoming extinct and you can only find them in one place. That's very interesting. Okay. Now, I wanted to find weather for this weekend. Oh dear. Okay, so let's see. Saturday. With a low of 7, and the Sunday, the high of 19 degrees with a low of 8. Okay, and then it looks like it gets a little bit warmer Monday and Tuesday. That's something. That's okay. That's okay. That's fine. I'll be fine. We'll be fine. Let's go back to the chitty charts. What's calling it? Oh no, nothing really came from there. Moved down to KZN and now moving back. Yep, it's gonna be a good week. I only measure by horsepower, beers per hour, bullets per second. Good grief. Okay. True. Nearly said it. She's scared of the ocean. Oh, that was good. Be right back. Did you watch Perry Sleeping? Was he good? I just thought it was good for our watch at the same field wheels. Huh? Interesting, Neil. Okay, where do you plan on going to? Ah, this is going sideways. Why is this going sideways? This is going so solidly sideways right now. Okay. Let's see what happens here. Yes, he was enjoying it. Oh, nice. Good. Yeah, he's KO'd. He has a tough life, hey? I don't know how he does it. Don't know how he does it. 433. Wow, nothing has happened in these last few minutes at all. Okay then. It's a bit of a bummer. Volume died a bit. Just a little bit, hey? Just a tad bit. I mean, had the win here, had a little loss there. I'm a little bit green still for the day, so that's cool. It is what it is. Still watching to see what happens here, but this has solidly kind of gone, nah, done. Aww. Bye, Hammer. Why are you going so soon? Bye. Moderators don't get you a housewarming gift. Make sure to let me know. Atlanta, I'm on it. I'm gonna tell them that you guys better get me all the housewarming gifts. I expect some cool things. Apparently I need a lava lamp. So I said just change the scenery. Ooh, okay, damn, sounds fancy. Some adventures not bad. All I can say is moving sucks. You have to put a lot of trust into people you don't know, which is not fun. Seriously, not fun at all. Here we go. Here's a bit of movement. company and just take it easy. Had a migraine for 2 days. It's gone straight. Ooh, damn. Okay, Hammer, I get that. My head was killing me. Luckily, I feel a little bit better today, but yo, it got me. It did indeed get me. He broke the record for 4 consecutive trading days with green. Has he told on himself he's a That is true. He is the main one that owes me. He's been doing so well. My god, carrying fridges up flights upstairs, freaking CrossFit at that. Yeah, see, so for me it's more a thing because, I mean, getting a moving company because it's far, right? And I have a little car, so gotta get a moving company. It's having to do with trusting the moving company. I've used them before, I know that they're fine, but yeah. It's still, I'm still like, okay, gotta trust other people with your stuff, basically your entire life. Which is a bit scary. Can you tell I have lots and lots of trust in people? Oh, so much trust in other humans. Yeah. So I just arrived. You are also Cape Town side, which is awesome. Very exciting. Like I said, I didn't know how many South Africans were in this trading community. I love it. Trying to see here if I had moved stop loss below here, but that would have been quite a big stop loss. You'll make me cry. Why? Why am I gonna make you cry? In this world, I don't blame you. You'll be just fine, silly head. Nice, thanks. Thanks. Calling me a silly head. How rude. Wow, this is solidly going sideways right now. Okay. Solid sideways movement right here. But I don't want you to go with him for 2 weeks or so. I mean, why not, Hammer? Would you not like it there? Or, I don't know. We have to support each other. I said blood demands. I love it. I love it. I mean, there's so many of us here. I mean, Hannah, Neil, you, OTT. Oh, Geordie's not here right now. Geordie, oh, I haven't seen Ash in a while. Ash. No, I lied. Ash was here just now. She just wasn't on for a long time. I feel like I'm missing a bunch of people. Other fellow South Africans. Who else? Dave? I know I'm missing people, but that's already like 8. Where's Deb's? Debbie! Oh, Debbie! Oh, I know. I didn't play this. That's why. Ronan! That's 9 people already. That reminds me, how the hell did I come across your channel? See, it's like a Debbie caller. It's awesome. Play that noise and Debbie's here. What's up, Mega? Time frame, this is the 1 minute time frame. What's up? Wow, the volume has solidly died here. No, I was scrolling. I was like, check it out. And here you are, Atlanta. You're stuck with me. Just wanted to say hi. What's up, Arthur? Yeah, why? Everything good. Everything's good. Had a little win here. Had a little loss there. It is what it is. We continue. And then I stayed. did live sound go? Live sound kind of disappeared. Huh. Don't ask me why, but I'm messing around with this right now. Still watching and waiting. Oh my gosh. Where has the volume gone? Where are you? Speaking to the volume. Come back. Ooh, here's... This might be a solid bounce. I'm curious about this. Hasn't gotten close. Be quite a cool trade. Anyways. It's okay. I'm just going through setup with my phone. I think I might have created a monster. Oh, chill dude. I'm funded with top 1 futures. Yeah. You got a few South African here. You want to have a bri? Let's do a trader bri. I love it. I think that sounds like an awesome plan. No, still nothing. I think a trader's bri is the way to go. Can you imagine the conversations? Can you imagine potential fights? No, I don't think there'll be fights. I think we are all decent enough, I think. I hope. No, there might be fights. Imagine someone, like, I don't know. Hi, I'm, Hi. I'm not even gonna attempt to say your name, or your handle. Might have to switch to a bearish bias. I was considering that. So this here that I've set up here would be for a bearish trade, but I don't know if it's gonna get there. I don't know if the volume is gonna pick up either. I don't know if this was like the push for London and now we're done. We are civil traders in a civil union. I love it. But also nice to meet you. Can I call you Iffy? Is that okay? The South African family, I'm close with this pretty girl. Yeah, I can say that. Ooh, okay, so Hammer's gonna be the designated driver. To be fair, I think traders and drinks shouldn't go together. Because that's asking for trouble. Just saying, that is asking for all the trouble. $443. Just in time for South African recall. Let's do it. I beg to differ. Why? What do you mean? What do you mean? What do you mean? I don't drink or trade. But Ronan is here to be like, I'm here. Do not forget me. I'm here. I am here. Present. But do you bri, Ronan? I think that's the important question that Hammer has. Do you bri though? What is the preferred venue? Oh yeah, that's a bit tricky here. I guess it would have to be... Ooh. Ooh. We're kind of like a 50-50 split. Oh, not really 50-50 exactly, because obviously there's some people in KZN, not a lot, but there's a lot in Joburg and a lot in Cape Town. I love it. Rhoda's just here going, no, don't you dare forget about me. Here we go, I think, potentially. Upstart represent. Where's Kalani saying the buyers are here? Looks like the bears have taken over. Our weekend starts tomorrow. To be fair, my weekend starts soon. Well, weekend. It's not really weekend. I have packing and so much. So much to do. No, that's a problem. It'll be a lot of money to get everyone at the same right? Unless it'll have to be like a virtual situation where like Joburg comes together, Cape Townians come together, and you just do like a call, and then yeah. Cape Town is the best buy for ride, but Hammer said you're afraid of the ocean, so I'm not actually afraid of the ocean. I promise, I'm not actually afraid of the ocean. Oh, Neil. Okay, so Neil says now it has to be in person. Where's like a midpoint? Where's a midpoint? Here we go. I think. Here we got a little bit more volume. 148 finally. Damn, how long have you been sitting on that one, Veda? I remember, well actually, you've been on that one for a while. Let's go to Bloomberg. Guys, I absolutely hate it when people say Drakensberg. Oh, wow, I said that so English. Drakensberg. Anyways, the Drakensberg. For one reason only. Do you know how huge the Drakensberg is? Where in the Drakensberg? I used to live in Hoedspruit, and I was right by the Drakensberg mountain. Hoedspruit is in Limpopo. So, you know, Drakensberg says nothing. So, out of curiosity, on ES, this actually would have been a winning trade. Would have gotten down and actually respected those levels really, really nicely. More curiosity. I want to do this. And see here. Oof, would not have hit the level. Nope, wouldn't have hit that level. I lie, it did hit that level. Hit that level perfectly on ES. Oh, we can never. Neil, you should be sorry. Be better. I'm kidding. I'm totally messing with you. As I get in shoulders breakdown on the Nasdaq. Well, let's first get the cash. Mariah in Mauritius. Oh, holiday. That, you know what? Now Hammer has the correct idea. We just all go, you know what? Holiday time. Interesting. Okay. Let's see how this works out. I don't know if I'm gonna take this one just yet. The one to whoop whoop TP at 142. Hey, Jackie! Now there we go. Whoop whoop for Jackie. No, not quite. And for anyone else that is green, sorry if I didn't do a whoop whoop for you. Whoop whoop, well done. Green is great. We'll pay for Bora Bora holiday on the prop firm. His business need up. Now, Neil, you are being smart here. $49. Curious to see how this works. Genuinely curious to see how this works out. But it does look like volume has potentially died a little bit. Like I said, let's wait until 5 AM open. Let's see what the new hourly candle brings, but then we might just call it there. It's almost sleepy time. I hear you, except it's not sleepy time for me. It's packy time. Packing up. Getting ready to vamos. Aww. Atlanta, you're so funny. Aww. Atlanta, you're a sweetie pie. We call it a conference or something. Yes. There we go. It is a traders conference. Then everyone can come, you know. Even if overseas people want to come to Mauritius. Just have it a traders getaway. Shaki, one more butterfly. Okay, Shaki, you can pick a butterfly. Go on then. Good grief. Okay, we're running away now. Blue... What the heck is that? Blue cracker butterfly. Is that a real thing? Oh my gosh! It is a real thing. Aw, bye Hannah. Enjoy. Blue cracker butterfly. This thing is stunning. What the heck? It looks fake. We got another AI looking butterfly. And this is what it looks like on the outside. What on earth? Shaggy, well done. This is a really, really cool butterfly. I love it. This is cool. He is awesome. Okay, let's see. Let's see if this gives us good information. Common name, blue cracker, cool. Family, wingspan of 2.5 to 3.3 inches. That's biggish, I think. Okay, so I see it's in Mexico, Guatemala, Honduras, Panama, Venezuela, Brazil, Peru, Ecuador, Colombia. Everywhere. Okay. So South America vibes, noted. And Mexico. This thing looks fake. It really, really looks fake. Some of these butterflies really look fake. Damn. Yeah. 3 inches. That was amazing. That was amazing. That was really, really good. And not my yeah, I forgot you're right.
That's what she said.
Jackie, that was yeah. That was brilliant. That was brilliant. See, we've now taken out some sell side liquidity. This is just a huge range, so if you zoom out, like it's moving, don't get me wrong, it is moving, but we're nearly back at opening. So it just went up and then came straight back down. Ew. Okay. I'm gonna watch this here and see how it reacts again. 10:54. Nearly the new hourly. I can't do. What's up, Craig? How you doing? It originates from the sound they make during territorial displays. Huh. One range to another, basically. We retest psychological 100. Whoop. Let's see here. Like I said, a curiosity for this. 4-hour trade right there. I'm curious to see how it goes. If this would work or not. Damn, Craig, up 2K from Asia. That is amazing. That deserves a very solid whoop whoop. Respectfully, that's a awesome flipping go at it. Well done. Done for the day. I love it. To be fair, I'm also gonna soon be done for the day. Call it a little bit early. Gonna start organizing my life. Nothing. Oh, 45. Go on, Shaggy, what is it? Okay, I got the email. They're arriving so early. Oh my gosh, they're arriving at like 8 to 9 a.m. in the morning. Everything has to be then ready. Oh. Okay. Look up virus zones. Okay. Virus zones. Just guessing I look at it in 5 minutes. Chart to a trace provider. And here doubled with pivot points. I mean, I have not dabbled with pivot points. Why is this not working? Okay. Virus. Zones? Oh, virus zones. Okay. I'm gonna start because I'm curious. Is it on? Oh, it is on. What is it? What do you... Why does it just look like it's following BWAP? Is it not just following VWAP? Thank you for reasons to sell that zone back down previous day lows. Nice structure on the 1 hour chart. Okay, so my normal strategy would have been a whoop whoop. Well, at least a break even there. So not always. Interesting. There it would have been a whoop whoop. Risk interval set to... Set to 266.25. Okay. Will it act like an M? No idea. Oh, half risk interval set to 13.125. Sorry, I didn't see that. Half risk set to 133.125. Okay. Okay, and then what? Have to treat the colors? Yeah. But then what do you do with it? How do you trade it? Like, do you just trade inside of it? Oh, this is very bright. I will change the colors, but yeah, I'm curious about how you trade it. That's better. Better on my eyeballs. What's up, Moonshine? But use very different mechanics to make the bands. Okay. So how do you trade it? Or how do you use it as a... I'm assuming use it as like a confluence, right? Let me deliver on... Okay, let me just respond. Sorry. It's used as a confluence, which may bounce. Okay, believing the inner band and the outer band almost always rejects back to the inner band. Okay, so the leaving the inner band into the outer band almost always rejects back into the inner band, which it did do earlier. It retraces on the 1 minute, will bounce to the next 1 minute. Okay. So use it as a confluence as basically a potential reversal level, right, Jackie? I've developed my own indicator. Forecast rating value. Thank you, Craig. Yeah, I'll go for it. Share away. But I've taken trades purely off but leaving the inner band. Okay. Ninja traders and Science, anybody else has the same problem? Oh, that's weird. Who uses Ninja Trader? Moonshine's having issues. Okay. Arthur, you think this is going up? Can you tell I'm now not focused? Okay. Yeah. I'm now not focused anymore. I'm now focused on the move. So, Micro uses Ninja Trader. Yes, Step, he does. But I don't know where he is. There's always Ninja Trader desktop. Okay, so let me close this for now. Jackie, I'm gonna do a little bit of testing with it. Okay. It basically indicates potential reversal. It's only about a month old. We're still working out the full range of uses. Oh, Jackie, this one you made? That's cool. Okay. Guys, like I said, my brain is now on pack/stress mode. But that's fine. That's fine. That's fine. We're gonna do this thing. I'm then gonna call it a bit early. I know it is a bit early, but as you can see, my head's not in it. We are a little bit green for the day. We had 2 trades, 1 win, 1 loss. It is what it is. One was a bit of a forward testing maybe that's a bit sneaky, but who cares? Still a little bit green for the day, but it's been awesome. So I love you guys madly. I won't be here in New York, and I won't be here tomorrow. They might actually arrive on Sunday, so I actually might be able to stream on Monday. Let's see. I'm not making promises, but this is actually basically what the email said. He was like, can we drop off on Sunday? And I'm like, actually, yes. So let's see. I love you guys madly. I'm gonna miss you guys. Okay, but have amazing trades. Keep me posted in the Discord. Send all the trades so I can go whoop whoop. I might be able to even join on Discord for the New York session tomorrow. Probably not today, but tomorrow definitely. I love you guys madly. Trade safe. Be good. Yeah. I'll see you on the other side. Basically, I'll see you on the other side. Okay. I love you guys. Bye.